Good morning students. Welcome to maths video. In previous video we discussed exercise 8.3 seventh sum. Now in this video we will discuss exercise 8.3 eighth sum. Three fair coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting first one all head, second one at least one tail, third one at most one head, fourth one at most two tails. So question is three fair coins are tossed together. Now let us write the sample space for three coins tossed together. Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 tail. N of S is equal to 8. Now, first question is all heads. Let A be the event of getting all heads. Head, head, head. All are head. So A is equal to head, head, head. So no other event is there having all heads. So N of A equal to 1. P of A equal to N of A by N of S. 1 by 8. Next, second one, at least one tail. Let B be the event of getting at least one tail. So here given at least one tail. One tail or no tail. Sorry, at least one tail or more than one tail. So B is equal to, so can write here one or more than one tail. So B is equal to head, here no tails are here. So there must be at least one tail. Head, head, head. All are tail. No tails are here. So we will leave that. So head, head, tail. So here one tail is there. Head, head, tail. Next head, tail, head. One tail is here. Tail, head, head. One tail is there. Tail, tail, head. Two tails are here. So tail, head, tail. Two tails. Head, tail, tail. Two tails are here. So tail, tail, tail. Three tails are here. So our condition is one or more than one tail can be there. So N of B is equal to 7. Then P of B is equal to N of B by N of S. 7 by 8. Next, third subdivision. at most one head. Let C be the event of getting at most one head. At most one head. So one head or less than one head. Which means less than one head means what? No head. So C is equal to one head. At least or at most one head. So one head or no head. So here three heads. So one head must at most one head can be there. So here also two heads. Two heads. Here two heads are there. So here one head. Tail head. One head is there. So one head. So tail head. Tail head tail. One head is there. Head tail. One head. Tail. Here no head. So our condition is one head or less than one head or no head. So here there is no head. We can choose this event. N of C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. N of C is equal to 4. Then P of C is equal to N of C by N of S. 4 by 8. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Next, fourth one is at most two tails. At most two tails means two tails can be there. Two tails are less than two tails. Therefore, two tails are less than two tails. Here we can choose this even head. Head, tail. Head, tail, head. Tail, head. Tail, head. Tail, head, tail. Head, tail. Tail. Here there are three tails. So our condition is two tails are less than two tails. So here tail or a tail, this will not become in this event. So N of D is equal to 7. P of D is equal to N of D by N of S 7 by 8. That's all. Thank you.